Ta-da! Look who it is.
This motherfucker.
What you talking about used to be famous. I'm still famous.
He's still on there. He's still on there, dude. Got one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What is this? I think it's a drum. Maybe. It's not. It's a big old son of a bitch. That's what it is. Oh my gosh. I think it's a drum. Oh, what the hell happened? What happened? What happened? He got off, I think. No, no. What a fucking disaster. He got off. I think it was a drum. God damn it! Boy, this thing is getting way more than what it's fucking worth. He's still on there. He's still on there, dude. Cock. Oh my gosh. Dude, I can't believe I still had this fish on. Dude. Oh my gosh, dude. It's a catfish in the tail. In the tail? Yeah. Oh my gosh, no, no. This is a fucking disaster, man. Said I still had him, didn't I? Channel catfish in the tail. We are not dicking around with this dude. You want it?
Yeah, if you don't want him, I'll back hit some in a minute.
He's a spawning. Look like a spawning male to me. He got them big ass knots on his head.
You don't want him?
Nah, I was gonna turn him loose, but if you're gonna eat him, I'll give him to you. If I can get up here to this bank transition and fish this stuff, is there's a really good chance, a really good chance there's fish up here. More quiet, Brandon. Got one. It's a big sumbitch too. No, maybe not big. I'm sorry. It was not big. But he is one, and I did call that, did I not? I said there's going to be fish down here in this bank transition, and your boy was right. Your boy was right. Not biggin, but he's our first bass. Got one. Got one. Big one. Come in here, big one. Hell yeah, dude. It's like the fucking first halfway decent fish I've caught today. And I was fixing to leave. Ow. How the hell do I rehook you? How do I rehook you? It's a nice one. Wish I'd have caught some more like that, but anyway, it's been a tough day. What in the hell? Somebody's fucking... Anyway, we're gonna let you go. We're gonna show it too, because it's the first best halfway decent one we've caught today. See you, girl. In this area, anyway. It's really not, I mean, it's pretty hot out here, but it's not like scorching, you know what I mean? Oh, dude, I got one. What the fuck is that? What is that? That is a crappie in the back. What in the world are you doing over here, dude? Come here. Ow, motherfucker. Alright, dude. I'm already done messing with your stupid ass. What the fuck are you doing over here? What are you doing over here, dude? There's a group of crappie right here? Apparently. Well, we are off the board. Or on the board, I should say. I assume that was a bucket log. Because that was, felt weird. I got one. He hit the fucking water, Brandon. Son of a bitch, man. As soon as they hit the water. He wasn't like a monster or anything, but bigger than anything I've caught today. And I'm snagged.